I spent the last full week putting Vizard to the test to see if it could really help grow a channel faster. The main takeaway is that this isn't just another flashy deepfake toy. It is a genuinely smart editor for your long-form footage. It acts like a virtual assistant that takes your raw, unedited videos and turns them into snackable, viral-ready clips with zero headache. What really makes Vizard shine is how it handles all the tedious tasks that creators absolutely hate doing every single day. It automates the process of hunting for those perfect moments, cutting out the boring fluff, and even scheduling the posts. You can drop in a massive 90-minute live stream or a long podcast, and in just minutes, the tool identifies the high engagement bits. This is massive for anyone who is pumping out content daily and simply cannot afford to spend hours manually editing the same video. Before we dive into the step-by-step, let's talk about the current landscape of AI tools in the creative space. There are dozens of apps promising magic, but many are just one-trick ponies or subscription-gated experiments. While some tools are amazing for generating synthetic hosts or AI audio, they are often limited to very short, constrained outputs. Other popular editors are great for transcript-driven cuts, yet they still leave you doing all the heavy lifting to find the moments that will actually resonate. Vizard feels different because it effectively treats your long videos like a content goldmine, automating the discovery, packaging, and distribution. Let me show you exactly how I used it on my own project dashboard by uploading a raw 60-minute gaming stream. You have a ton of settings to play with, like prioritizing emotional reactions, high-energy gameplay, or even specific funny lines. I told the AI to specifically prioritize viral hooks and to focus on creating vertical shorts first for my social channels. Within just a few minutes, Vizard delivered a huge stack of clips, each with suggested captions and thumbnail frames ready to go. I was honestly surprised that the auto-editing wasn't just random snips. It actually uses audio cues and visual change detection. It identifies where the energy spikes or where a punchline lands, which is perfect for capturing intense reactions. For example, if you have a moment where you almost crash in a racing game and shout, "The tool flags," that is a top-tier highlight. It trims exactly to the onset of the audio spike, centers the frame, and adds a caption overlay, so the context is clear without sound. Another huge use case right now is turning long mukbangs or ASMR sessions into bite-sized content for viewers. I tried this with some long-form ASMR footage and told a Vizard to pull the absolute crunchiest bites and the tightest close-ups. The output felt surprisingly human-cut, with subtitles perfectly timed so the viewer immediately understands the sensory experience. It doesn't randomly split the file. It specifically looks for those sensory peaks that really grab an audience's attention. You definitely do not want to upload your content and then babysit every single clip, so the auto-schedule feature is a total lifesaver. After reviewing the suggestions, I set my posting frequency and let Vizard manage the publishing calendar automatically. You can set specific platform priorities, drop in custom captions, or let the AI handle the headline generation for you. If you work with a team, there is even a simple approval flow where you can bulk approve changes before they go live. Now, let's be totally honest about the limits here, because this is not making whole new videos from scratch. If you're looking for AI-generated actors or completely synthetic imagined scenes, that is not the core of what this tool does. While it is excellent at trimming and packaging, ultra-fine creative direction still benefits from your unique human touch. But for podcasters, streamers, and educators who need consistent volume, this tool is a massive force multiplier. Compare that to other platforms that might charge a fortune for limited credits or lack native cross-platform scheduling. Vizard combines discovery, editing, and publishing in one single place, which scales perfectly without ruining your creative flow. If you care about output velocity and staying relevant across multiple social platforms, that combination is the real win. For a practical example, I uploaded a 2-hour Minecraft livestream and got 40 suggested clips back. I kept 10 of them, hit the bulk schedule button, and posted 2 clips a week to YouTube and 1 to TikTok. 2 weeks later, my channel saw a steady uptick in discovery because the clips drove viewers back to the full-length stream. The real secret is consistency. You can spend all day editing one perfect video, or you can use Vizard to push out many micro-moments. Think about your podcast. Vizard can extract the best 1-minute soundbites, add waveforms and captions, and schedule them across everything. That is an incredibly simple way to turn one long episode into 2 weeks of promos without hiring an expensive editor. One thing creators often worry about is sounding robotic, but I found the clips just need a tiny touch of human polish. Just treat Vizard as your fast, capable assistant that does 80% of the heavy lifting, leaving you to handle the final creative finish. Also, do not sleep on the integrated analytics, because seeing which clips perform best lets you train the AI to find better moments later. Over time, the tool actually learns what your specific audience engages with and prioritizes those patterns in its future suggestions. To wrap this up, if you are a creator who wants to scale without burning out, this is absolutely worth testing. It won't replace your creative judgment, but it will free up hours every single week by automating the discovery to publish pipeline. If you want to try it, don't expect magic from day one. Let it learn your content style and use the calendar to stay consistent. And if you have been playing with other AI tools, remember that while those are cool for experiments, Vizard is built for the actual grind. I have 2 more breakdowns on the screen right now where I show step-by-step how I optimize my thumbnails and set up my scheduling. Click one of them if you want to see a deeper walkthrough, and let me know in the comments what kind of content you are turning into clips.